Many non-Arabs face a lot of problems when they visit an Arab country because they cannot speak Arabic, and this is evident when they go shopping to buy some of their needs. So I will present to you in this video the most important Arabic words that enable you to solve this problem when you go to the market to buy some fruits and vegetables. And in the next video, we will give you more important Arabic words that you definitely need, so subscribe in my channel to receive all new videos. You speak in English and I tell you the meaning in Arabic.
Well, it's a good idea. Let's start the names of fruits. Grapes.
Grapes, عنب.
Bananas.
Bananas, موز.
Watermelon.
Watermelon, بطيخ.
Apple.
Apple, تفاحة.
Orange.
Orange, برتقال.
Pineapple.
Pineapple, أناناس.
Cherries.
Cherries, كرز.
Peach.
Peach, خوخ.
Pear.
Pear, أجاص أو كمثرى.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate, رمان.
Apricot.
Apricot, مشمش.
Plum.
Plum, برقوق.
What about the names of vegetables? Same as tomatoes.
Tomatoes, طماطم.
Potatoes.
Potatoes, بطاطس.
Cucumbers.
Cucumbers, خيار.
Peppers.
Peppers, فلفل.
Carrots.
Carrots, جزر.
Lemons.
Lemons, ليمون.
Peas.
Peas, بازلاء.